Hare Krishna. I'm receiving a lot of requests and inquiries from the students in regard to PT preparation. Yes, PT preparation. So, I myself, Vanna Shukla, and I'm the master trainer of PT Academic, and I'm the master trainer from PT Academic directly. So, it's from Pearson. So, being a master trainer, I know what are the strategies and how to prepare the student based on the student's level, not at the trainer's level. So, for all the students out there who are looking for the right training, right coaching, and right guidance on PT Academic, please enroll yourself immediately in our PT Academic course, which is going to start soon. And obviously, you as a student will have certain doubts that what will be the course outline. So, for all of you in the further part of the video, please go through. You will have the day wise plan, and apart from that, what are the home takeaway for you, what you will be taking away, what kind of a study material you will be getting through, and what kind of strategies, how to apply strategies. I've explained completely in the further video for your benefit. Ensure that you call us immediately. The details are mentioned in the description box. Please block your seat. Let's go through the video. Let's start looking at the study plan, which is specifically prepared for all the students, those who are looking for the right preparation for PT Academic. As PT Academic is a test which consists of 20 item types, so it's a big number actually. It has 20 item types which is spread in speaking, writing, reading, and listening. When we talk about speaking, it has 5 item types and writing has 2 item types. But when you actually appear in the test, speaking and writing are usually considered as one section. Reading again has 5 item types, whereas listening is the longest section in PT Academic, which has 8 item types. So what happens when you study with us, when you study with VMAS Career Consultants Private Limited? So as you enroll with us, we are going to share introduction to PT Academic video with you. This video is will be shared with all the students, those who enroll with us. And what exactly you get in this video, you will get the complete exam overview. You need to understand what the exam is, you need to understand what are the various item types, what's the duration. It's kind of a quick summary for all of you, and it's kind of a exam strategy that is presented to all my students in nutshell. There'll be an action plan, what happens on the test day, and how to analyze the results. Now, most of the students will have that why this is shared before. See, I have prepared a study plan which is actually a 20-day study plan. And so on the day one, I prefer to start itself with the item type. So all the students, those who enroll, they actually get complete overview of PT Academic as a tutorial video from my side, so that we can start practicing on the item types from day one. So what happens on day one? Day one, I cover personal introduction. Personal introduction is something that is not scored in PT Academic, but you have to still record yourself and give your personal introduction as you appear on the test day. So we practice on personal introduction, and few ideas like few scripts will be shared depending upon the student. You know, someone is going for study purpose, and there are certain other students, those who want to go for work visa or for the PR purpose. So I have the scripts for most of the students, and we practice on the personal introduction, then read aloud introduction, the 3 expert strategies and notes from test developers. As I am a master trainer, I have been trained, or I have been given the strategies from PT Academic. The same strategies I use and I share with my students. After understanding the read aloud item, we will be focusing on the solved examples. So we will be listening to 3 recordings, and we will be analyzing which recording is better or which is best and which has flaws. So as a student, you can also judge that where do we need to stand to get a good score. When I say read aloud introduction, there you will be also getting information on the scoring part as well. Apart from that, I as a practice material, you will be getting 30 read aloud text for practice, and then in answer short questions, the introduction part. Moreover, you also get 500 short questions, and these short questions are based on the past exams, and they are not taken from Google or they are not taken from YouTube. They have been taken directly from PT Academy. On day 2, I will be covering repeat sentence from speaking section and write from dictation from listening section. There is a reason that why I am covering both these item types as they belong to speaking and listening, because the background of both the item types is almost same. You will be explained the complete item and the important notes. Apart from that, you will be told about the scoring pattern, and then obviously we'll be working on the expert strategies and how to practice on that, how to ensure that you score good in these particular type of items, because they are quite scoring. And then we will also go through 3 solved practice items, and then 3 from repeat sentence and 3 from write from dictation. Apart from that, as your practice material, you will be getting 60 sentences. Okay, you get 60 sentences, and these are the audio recordings. So you will be getting audio recordings so that you can practice on your own as well. Day 3, describe image. This is something very difficult for most of the students, and this is not something that we can understand in just a single day. So I have kept 2 days for describe image, because the images are various images that the student gets. So on day 3, I'll be covering bar graph, line graph and pie chart. And when I say I'll be covering these 3 types of images, I'll be sharing the script. Yes, I'm telling you script, because describe image is something where I know students face problem, and then when they have script with them, they actually get relaxed, or the difficulty level goes down for them. You will be also working on the scoring to analyze how the scoring works and how we work on the scoring, as this will be a group class. So when you have the other student answering or replying to a particular image, you as another student can also assess, okay, how good or what on what parameters the student has answered or not answered well. And when we come to the practice, we will be practicing 3 bar graphs, 3 line graph and 3 pie charts. When I say practice, it means we will be actually preparing the script based on the images we get. Let me also tell you that you will be also getting the study material. As I have been telling before, all this study material is from authentic PT Academic, okay, website. All the study material, the resources that PT Academic provide, I do not rely on copy pasting from anywhere. I always work on authentic study material that is shared by PT Academic. On day 4, we will be working on describe image, and describe image is in this we will be working on day 6. After describe image, I'll be covering summarize written text and summarize spoken text from writing and listening section. Let me just tell you, if you look at the number 6, summarize written text, and 7, summarize spoken text. So what does the 6 and 7 shows? So going forward also, I'll be changing these numbers. So 6 and 7 says that on day 6, you will be covering 7 item types out of 20 item types. Okay, now what we will be covering over here, obviously you will be getting to know about what are the details of these particular items and the scoring. And apart from that, I'll be sharing the strategies. When I say sharing strategies, it means we will be actually working on the strategies. We will be applying these strategies in the examples that we will do. Moreover, you will also get to know certain discourse markers like additions and contrast that needs to be used, conjunctions and punctuations that needs to be used in this particular item type. For students who find it difficult to write on their own, I will be sharing script as well for your quick preparation. For your home practice, you will get 10 tasks of each per item type, which is summarize written text and summarize spoken text. So you will be at least getting 20 practice examples or practice tasks so that you can prepare yourself well. Day 7 is a day for covering retail lecture and highlight incorrect words. Although these two are a bit different, but retail lecture is somewhat related to your previous day practice, which was summarize written text and summarize spoken text, and you have done a practice already on that. So you will be able to cover your retail lecture. And then highlight incorrect word is something which is quite easy and easily scored item. So why I'm doing this, so that it's kind of a break for the students when they are doing describe image and summarize written text. So highlight and correct word is kind of a fun exercise for all the students. Contents, you can, as you can see, I'll be covering all the major strategies and working on the examples, working on the scoring, and as well as giving you practice material so that you can practice on these item types. On day 8 and 9, yes, I'm again covering 2 days here. Day 8 and day 9 is for essay writing. This is something which is difficult for everyone. I cannot say that any of my student has found essay writing easy. No, it is not easy. And the most tricky part is that within 20 minutes you have to write almost 200 words. So it's essay writing, and we'll be covering it in 2 days because I have to explain you various types of essay that you get. We will be working on the templates for the essay, vocabulary I'll be sharing with you, and then typing the essay on based on the topics that have been in there in the past PT exams. And then I will be also sharing book with you. I'll be sharing writing book with you, which is written down by me, so that students don't have to go anywhere or look for certain books. This book is a nutshell, is a crux of all the books that is available in the market. So I'll be sharing this book as well as with you. On day 10, we will be working on multiple choice choose single answer and multiple choice choose multiple answer. So these are the two item types that we'll be starting with reading on day 10. And as covered with the other item types, obviously we'll be working on the scoring, we'll be working on the items in terms of time limit or in the terms of time management in the reading section. Other than this, there are certain steps actually to attempt this type of a question. So I'll be explaining the steps to you, and then based on the steps we will be also working on solving the questions following the same steps so that we come up with the right answer. So we will be working on these steps also, means apply these steps to the questions. We will be working on three examples of each question, and you will get 10 questions each item type. So you will be getting actually 10 questions from single answer and 10 questions to practice on multiple answer. Day 11, on day 11 you will be actually working on fill in the blanks, which is from reading, and fill in the blanks, which is from reading again. So though there is a thin line of difference in both these tasks, and that thin line of difference will be explained to all the students during the class. And what are the steps to follow actually to solve this? I'll be also sharing the collocation list with you, and how we have to use the collocation list to get to the right answer. Obviously we have to work on the examples that we will be taking up, and then you will be have some practice material for your self practice. As I said earlier, practice material is everything directly from PT Academic, and it is not taken from any unauthentic resource. Okay, so we have been working on 11 days on different item types. So giving it a break on day 12. On day 12, we will be having a review session. It means there will be no new type or new question covered in this. I'll be working on describe image, essay writing, summarize written text, and retell lecture. So it's kind of a review session for all the students. They will be told that tomorrow is a review session. They will be practicing on all these four items, and then there will be kind of a test, I would say, for the students. Day 13, coming back again to our practice. On day 13, I'll be covering your 15th and the 16th item type, which is reorder paragraph and fill in the blanks. Reorder paragraph and fill in the blanks, once you have covered almost all the reading, so it will be easy for you. And then fill in the blanks from the listening is again, it's quite easy. It only works on the spellings, so it's again a kind of a breaker for all the students, those who have been working so hard on PT Academic. It's a kind of a fun activity for all the students. As you can see, I'll be covering items, scoring, steps to follow in reorder paragraph, and then application of those steps to solve the examples. And then we'll be obviously working on 3 examples, and then you will be getting materials for your self practice. Coming to day 14, obviously again it's a break. So we'll be having a review on repeat sentence, right from dictation, reading fill in the blanks, which is both the fill in the blanks, reading and writing, and summarize spoken text. So I always ensure that it's not that I'm covering new, because you need to have a practice session as well. So I always ensure that within the new concepts to be covered, I'm giving you a break and going back to what we have practiced also, so that you don't forget it. So we will be having review session as well. On day 15, it's listening items, multiple choice, multiple answer, and highlight correct summary. This is listening is something which is quite scoring for all the students. That's why I prefer to cover listening at, not with any other item type. So now going forward, you will be having the listening items. And again in this, you have the expert strategies. You have these strategies from the experts from PT Academic, and that expert strategies I'll be telling you directly, and how to apply these strategies so that you get the desired score. On day 16 is the day when we will be completing all the item types in PT Academic with multiple choice, choose single answer, and select missing word. So we'll be covering all the item types by day 16, and you will be practicing on these strategies, on the examples, and then you will be getting the study material as well. Coming to the further days, as it's a 20 days program. So what happens on day 17, 18, 19, and 20? So on day 17, it's again a review session of essay writing. Okay, it's a review session for essay writing as well as in reading and listening, multiple choice to single and multiple answers. So I want to ensure all my students that we are not just focusing on preparing you, we are also focusing on reviewing that what you have learned. Day 18, review time. We will be working on reorder paragraph from reading, and the rest is all the listening items. Okay, day 4, coming back to something which is difficult, summarize written text, summarize spoken text, and retell lecture. All these 3 items are related to each other in terms of the question type. They are not 100% related, but somehow they are alike. So I'll be covering all these 3 types on day 19. It's a kind of a review session. It's a kind of a revision. It's kind of a question and answer, doubt clearing on these 3 item types for all the students. Day 20 is the last day of this particular study plan for PT Academic, and I'll be covering listening items and reading items. So it's a kind of a consolidated listening and reading revision. Apart from that, all the students are always welcome. They will be getting my direct contact number. They have any doubt, they want to share their performance, anything they want to have clarification on certain doubts, they can always contact me. Now this is something, when I say study material, authentic PTE study material, I will be working on the study material from these books which are from PTE Academy. Other than this, I'll be sharing some links with my students so that they can practice online as well, so that you can practice online as well. And it's a grammar test, it's reading, listening, as well as online tutorials. And so to just to sum it up, it's a 20 days online class, 1 hour 30 minutes daily. And then within these 20 days, it's not just I'll be explaining you on the item types, I will be also working on the revision of each item type that I have explained. Thank you.